In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new table view in Asana that shows only the columns you want. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into creating your customized table view. First things first, open the specific Asana project where you want to enhance your task viewing experience. Whether you're managing a large project or just tracking your daily tasks, customizing your view can make a big difference in how efficiently you work. Once you're in your project, look to the top right corner of your table. You should see an Options menu there. Click on it, and a variety of options will unfold before you. Among these, you'll want to focus on the Show or Hide Columns option. When you select this, Asana will present you with a list of all the fields available for your project. Take some time to go through the list. You might find several columns that you love keeping visible and others that just clutter your view. Each column will have a toggle switch next to it. You can simply click these switches on or off based on your preferences. If you want a clean, streamlined view with only the essential columns, turn off the ones you don't need. After you've done that, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll find the Save View button. It's important to save your customized view so you can access it easily later on. But wait, before you click on the Save View button, there's a small detail that you should attend to. Click on the little caret icon right next to that button. When you click it, you'll see more options appear, and this is where the magic happens. Choose the Save as New tab option. What this does is create a separate view that won't alter your original table. It's like creating a copy of your filtered view, allowing you to keep the original untouched. Now take a look at the top bar of your project again. You should see your newly created custom table tab there. It's a simple process, but it can significantly improve how you interact with your tasks in Asana. Switching between your original view and your customized view is a breeze. Just click between the tabs at the top, and you can quickly alternate between the two. This feature is especially useful if you need to reference other information that isn't displayed in your new streamlined view. One of the best parts about this customization is that any updates you make to your tasks in either view will reflect across all your interconnected tabs. So, whether you're making notes, updating statuses, or changing deadlines, everything stays synchronized, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. So that's it. You've now created a new table view in Asana that showcases only the columns you want. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your productivity. Don't forget to check your result now and see how your fresh view looks. With this tool, you can organize your tasks in a way that best suits your style. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on using Asana effectively.